Okay. Now, type 2 formation of partial differential equation by eliminating arbitrary functions. Okay. Suppose if we have one arbitrary function, use first order partial derivatives p and q. That means dou z by dou x and dou z by dou y. If you have two arbitrary functions, use first and second order partial derivatives. That is p, q, r, s and t. Okay. I'll come to the first problem. Form PDE of z is equal to e power y into f of x plus y. F. This is your arbitrary function. Okay. First one is e power y, exponential function. F may take any function, that may be trigonometric, exponential, logarithmic, etc. or hyperbolic. Okay. Now arbitrary function is f of x plus y. That means we have only one arbitrary function. That means use first order partial derivatives. Now take z is equal to e power y into f of x plus y. Differentiate partial with respect to x. That means you have to treat y constant. Since y constant, e power y is constant, write constant as it is. Differentiate f of x plus y. What is derivative of f? F dash of x plus y. And the derivative of x plus y is 1 plus 0. Derivative of x with respect to x is 1. And derivative of y constant means 0. Therefore, p means dou z by dou x. P is e power y into f dash of x plus y. Now differentiate same equation with respect to y partially. Okay. Now y variable, x constant. See here. We have y in both exponential and arbitrary function. Y. And these two are product of two functions. Okay. Use product rule. First function. Derivative of f of x plus y is f dash of x plus y into 0. X constant now. Y variable, that means derivative of x with respect to y is 0 plus derivative of y with respect to y is 1 plus second function is f of x plus y only into derivative of e power y is e power y only into derivative of y is 1. Okay. Now q becomes dou z by dou y is q, e power y f dash of x plus y plus e power y f of x plus y. Okay. Now from these two equations eliminate arbitrary function. See here, in p we have e power y f dash and q also e power y f dash. We can replace e power y f dash of x plus y with p. Okay, then we get q plus p is equal to e power y into f of x plus y. What is e power y into f of x plus y? Z. Therefore q is p plus z. Okay, now rearrange it. Q minus p minus z is equal to 0. What is q? Dou z by dou y. And q is dou z by dou x minus z is equal to 0 is the PDE. Okay. Next one. Form PDE of this equation. How many arbitrary functions are there? Here we have z is equal to y square is the polynomial. 2 into f of 1 by x plus log y. F is the arbitrary function. Within f you have log and 1 by x. Okay. F is the arbitrary function. That means you have to use first order partial derivatives. Now differentiate z partially with respect to x. Y constant. Okay. See y constant 0. To write it as it is. Derivative of f is f dash of 1 by x plus log y. Write it as it is. F dash of 1 by x plus log y into derivative of 1 by x with respect to x is minus 1 by x square. Y constant means log y constant. Derivative of log y is 0. Okay. Next. P is, see, 2 into f dash with negative sign here. Minus 2 into f dash. We have x square in denominator. 1 by x plus log y. Okay. This is your P. Similarly, differentiate with respect to y. Okay. See here. There are two terms. In the first term, you have polynomial. Second term, it is a sum. In the previous case, it is a product. Since it is product of two functions, we use product rule. But here, sum y square and f of y, function of y. Okay. Now, derivative of y square is 2y plus 2 constant. Derivative of f is f dash of 1 by x plus log y. And 1 by x is constant, 0. Derivative of log y is 1 by y. Then q is 2y plus 2 into 1 by y is 2 by y, f dash of 1 by x plus log y. Okay. Now, eliminate f dash from p and q. See, f dash of 1 by x plus log y is minus p into x square by 2. If you simplify this, okay, replace f dash by minus p into x square by 2 in this equation, equation number 3. Now q becomes 2y minus 2 by y into minus px square by 2. Simplify, you get q into 2y square minus px square divided by y. Now cross multiply it, then we get q into y is equal to 2y square minus px square, and this implies write p and q in terms of partial derivatives, dou z by dou n, dou z by dou x. This is your PDE. Okay. Next one. Form PD of z is equal to e power x plus by into f dash of ax minus by. See, how many arbitrary functions are there? One. F of ax minus by is the arbitrary function. This one is exponential function. Same as first problem. Okay. Now differentiate with respect to x. E power ax plus by. See, z is a function of x and y, but exponential with x, f of ax. Both are functions of x, means use product rule. Okay, first function, derivative of f is f dash of ax minus by into derivative of ax minus by. A constant, derivative of x is 1, b constant, y constant 0, plus f of ax minus by. Second function, into derivative of e power ax plus by is e power ax plus by into ax plus by derivative a 1 plus 0. Okay, now p becomes here you have a and also a, take a common, and we have e power ax plus by and e power ax plus by. Take e power ax plus by is also common, then we get f dash plus f of ax minus by. Okay, similarly differentiate with respect to y. Now y variable x constant. Since exponential function with y and f of arbitrary function is also with y, use product rule. See here, use product rule. First function, derivative of second function f dash of ax plus by into, now constant is x, a constant, x is also constant 0, plus derivative of b into y, b constant, and derivative of y with respect to y is 1. This is plus actually. Okay, plus. Next, f of ax minus by into derivative of ax plus e power ax plus by is e power ax plus by into a constant, x constant, derivative of b and y, b into 1. Okay, now here b common. Okay, next term. Actually f is with negative, that means this is negative, this is also negative, then it becomes negative, then minus. Okay, f dash of ax minus by plus f of ax minus by. Okay, now in p we have a, in q we have p, and remaining thing is e power x plus by, e power x by. This is f dash minus f dash, this is f and f. First we have to eliminate these two by adding. Before adding, the coefficients should be same, a into e power x plus by. Here b into e power x plus by. Make the coefficients are same. See here we have a, multiply this equation with b, then we get ab e power ax plus by. Multiply this equation with a, then we get ab e power ax plus by. Then if we add it, then easily we can cancel f dash. Okay, therefore multiply equation number 2 with the b and 3 with the a and add it, then we get a into b into e power x plus by common, then f dash f minus f dash f dash gets cancelled, then we get 2 into f of ax minus by. Okay, then take 2 outside from the bracket, then we get 2ab e power x plus by into f of ax minus by. Actually e power ax plus by into f of ax minus by is your function z. We can write it as Z. This one is Z. Therefore, the PD is BP plus AQ is equal to 2 into ABZ. Okay. Now come to next one. See, first three problems are with one arbitrary function. Now come to two arbitrary functions. See, F and G. Z is F of x plus Cy and plus G of x minus Cy. How many arbitrary functions are there? Two arbitrary functions, F and G. That means we have to find all the partial derivatives first. P, Q, R, S and T. All the 5 partial derivatives. Okay. First find P. You know how to differentiate. Find Q. Okay. This is your Q. And find R. R means differentiate dou Z by dou X again with respect to X. Then we get dou square Z by dou X square. That is dou P by dou X. Differentiate P with respect to X. Then we get this is your R. Next, find S. Differentiate P with respect to Y. Then we get S. Differentiate Q with respect to Y. Then we get T. This is your T. From these 5 partial derivatives, try to eliminate arbitrary functions. See, from PQRST, using 4 in 6, equation number 4, this is your 6, this is your 4. In 4, we have F double dash and G double dash. F double dash plus G double dash is R. We can replace F double dash plus G double dash by R. Then we get a T is equal to C square into R. This is your PD. Okay. Similarly, come to next one. Z is equal to Y into F of X plus X into G of Y. How many arbitrary functions are there? 2 arbitrary functions. Okay. Find all the partial derivatives P, Q, R, S, T. After finding P, Q, R, S, T, see, here from F dash and G dash. Here. You get F dash. Find F dash from equation number 2. F dash is P minus Gy divided by Y. This one. And from this equation, find G dash. G dash is Q minus F of X divided by X. Divided by X. Okay. Say these two are equation number 7 and 8. Using 7 and 8 in 5. In 5, we have F dash and G dash here. Substitute here. And simplify. Substitute and simplify. See here, you get cross multiply it and simplify it. Then again cross multiply, you get this one. But X into G of Y plus Y into F of X is your Z. Then X, Y, S is equal to PX plus YQ minus Z is your PI. Okay, right, in terms of partial derivatives. Similarly, this equation also. Okay, already I sent notes. Just go through this. This equation is same as previous one. This problem and the next problem is also same thing. Okay, just go through the notes, then you come to know how to form PDE for these two problems. Okay, it is similar to last problem. Okay, next come to type 3. Type 3 is formation of PDE in the form of phi of u comma v is equal to 0. Here u and v are functions of x, y and z. All the 3 variables. X and y are independent variables. Z is dependent variable. Okay. In this case, find ux and uy. Ux means partial derivative of u with respect to x. That is dou u by dou x. Find uy. Dou u by dou y. Similarly, find vx and vy. Okay, Vx means dou V by dou X, dou V by dou Y. Okay, find the 4 partial derivatives, substitute in this equation. This equation is called as auxiliary equation, supporting equation. Okay, substitute and simplify, that's it. See, form PDE of this equation. What is your u? X square plus y square minus plus z square. V, x, y, z. Okay, u, find ux and uy. This is your 1, equation number 2. Similarly, V, find Vx and Vy. Okay. After finding Ux, Uy, Vx, Vy, substitute in this equation. After that, simplify. 2 and 2 gets cancels, cross multiply it, collect the coefficients of P, Q and remaining terms in terms of X, Y, Z. That is next term. First term with the P, next Q, and then functions of X, Y, Z. This is your PD. That's it. Okay. In this type, you should put the solution with the P, first coefficients of P, next coefficient of Q, and remaining terms. Okay. See here. This is your U. U is xy plus z square. V is x plus y plus z. U, find ux means partial derivative with respect to x and partial derivative with respect to y. Vx, vy. Substitute here. Same thing, same procedure. Cross multiply it. Collect the coefficient of P, collect the coefficient of Q, and remaining terms is the third term. Similarly, next one. Phi of x square plus y square plus z square, x plus y plus z. Okay. Find ux, uy, vx, vy. Substitute, cross multiply it, collect the coefficient of P and the coefficient of Q and the remaining terms is your third term. Okay. Next one. What is your u? X, y by z. V, z. See. This is very important problem. U is xy by z. Z is in the denominator. You have to use quotient rule. Okay. Ux. Find ux. Find uy. You have to use both quotient and product rule in this case. Vx. Vy. Substitute in this equation. Again same procedure, cross multiply it. Then we get the PD. See, first term with the coefficient of P, next coefficient of Q. There is no other terms. Leave it. Okay, this is your PD. Okay, this complete the formation of PD. Next, in the next video, I will explain how to solve PD.